Take me back to my past life so I can collect all my powers and use them in this new life to be my full self in this life. Thank you, Ashe. I need to see all my past lives so I can take all my power that I have and bring them into this life so I can be truly myself, who I need to be in this life. So take me there. I will go into the dark and come out of the light with extra power, with all my power, with my full potential, with all my strength. And that's me, my real me. Ashe. Thank you for protecting me, my spirit guides. Ashe. I am safe. Thank you for protecting me, my spirit guide. Ashe, don't you remember me? Just look into my eyes and see yourself in me. Just grab my hand so I can take you a little closer so you can see where you need to be. I am you and you are me. Come a little closer so you can see that you are like me. So you don't know who you are? Look at yourself. Look at yourself. You don't know who you are? I thought you was better than that. Look at yourself, baby. You don't know who you are? Take a better look, baby. You don't know who you are? I think not. You're just playing. You don't know who you are? Take a better look, baby. Take a better look. You still don't know who you are? Oh, sweet mother, I can't believe it. Go sit with yourself. I'm not telling you. You don't know who you are. Don't come to me. Look at yourself, baby. Look at yourself. But I just wanted to look at me. Don't you see magic? Don't you see magic? And don't you see yourself? Oh, my baby. Go sit with yourself and find yourself. I'm not telling you. I'm not telling you nothing. You got some nerve coming over here looking at yourself and think you don't know who you are. Oh, my sweet mother. Go away. Go away. Go ask somebody else. But if you go to the forest, there are some herbs that you have to take. Clean yourself with it. Drink it. Wash yourself with it. And know who you are, my child. I will tell you everything you need to know, my child. If you just ask me. Every time when you close your eyes, ask me. I will send you all the information, my child. Sometimes you ask me a question and you don't listen because you got the answer, but you're stubborn, my child. Just sit and listen, and everything will be all right. Nobody will touch you. How can you forget that part of yourself? Nobody will touch you. There's a war, and you have to come through me. This side of you, it's fun time, baby. You know, it's fun. What are we going to create? We can create everything we want to create. Always know who you are. You know who you are. You seek the knowledge. You seek to be free. You free your spirit, and you know this world is not real. So, what do you need to find? Put your hands on your head. Put your hands on your chest. Put your hands on your legs. Feel the energy. And you know who you are, baby. You don't have to ask. Thank you, my higher self. Thank you, my spirit guides. I am grateful. Ashe.